Satish. I am alumni of 2009 batch. Currently, I am the secretary of UVCE Graduates Association. By now, I know you all have heard about it. We are organizing a UVCE Autonomous 5K run on March 5th. I welcome you. I request you to please be part of it. Register for that along with your friends. We had done something very similar during the centenary year in 2017, and more than 850 participants had joined us during that event. We want to make it this one much bigger than that, and it will be possible only if you support it. It is from the college to CubbonPark and back to college. And for the students, we have kept a very minimal concession registration amount, that is 200, for which you will be getting a t-shirt, a medal, a certificate, the breakfast, and a wonderful opportunity to interact with the alumni who are from, like, say, 60s onwards. You will be able to meet the alumni on that day. So that's a sincere request to all of you. Please spread the word and join the event. Thank you.